LiveQuartz video tutorial by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show a very basic run through of a couple of filters. And in particular, I'm going to go and show zoom blur. But the first thing to do, key thing, it's a fairly basic editor, and it's not a vast amount of commands. There's some brush strokes, etc., arrays, which is all very nice, very useful. But the key thing, I think, for myself, it's got a great range of very quick, nearly real-time filters. Now, open document, just go to File and Open. Once you've actually got the document, obviously, there is the image, and all the filters can be found over here. So, first thing to do, just go over here, and there's a little plus sign. Add a filter, it says. So click that. Now you'll notice it comes up with this little display. It's in French, and you can go through and see all the vast range. You can actually just select, which is quite nice. Just select there, and it'll give a little description. Some it doesn't, for some weird reason. No description for that one, but some it does give a brief description. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the blur. Now there is actually, weirdly, there's a zoom blur, and there's also an FX factory zoom blur. Actually, depends which one you like. I quite like this zoom blur, so I'm just going to go with that one. Click, choose. Now, you'll notice the options pop up here, so it's a really quite nice feature. You've got all the settings here. It makes it so much easier than having dialogues. That's one thing with many applications. They have a tendency to put dialogue in front of you. It actually makes it really quite hard to go through and change things. So just click center, and then you can just move that around. You can see very rapid, and of course you can control the amount as well. I'm just going to boost it up a little bit. You can just see it. I'll push it down again. It's like I say, it's fairly real time. Obviously, if you push it up too much, combine multiple, there is going to be some slowdown. Even the best machines, I'm certain. So you've got that, and you can move that backwards and forwards. Zoom, you can see the zooming out there. Now, another good thing about it is that, of course, you can just quickly remove it. You just click minus if you want, just remove, just click there, or just deselect it and that removes it. Still there then, still can click there. Now, another option, you can add some more. Don't have to just go one. I mean, obviously it's but you can combine them, which is really quite handy. So just click there and stylize. Comic effect, that's quite a nice one, comic effect. No settings for that one. So you will notice when you go to click there, you've got that comic effect. You can remove it, of course, again, just deselect or click minus, or you can add another one if you want. But comic effect doesn't have any settings, so but I'm going to go back to zoom blur, and what you can do, of course, just quickly modify that one. So I'm just going to click center, and you can see, even though the comic effect doesn't have any actual settings, you can still see the underlying zoom. And that creates some very unusual colour effects. Now this tool has got also layers, so you can actually, this is just obviously one layer. You can also start working on multiple layers, adding multiple effects, and so on and so on. But I'll do that in another video. But this is a nice little great little feature with various things. But this is zoom blur, really quite good filter combined with other filters as well. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.